If you have land in your property and it's just sitting there, I'm gonna show you how to make money off of it by renting it out the smart way. Let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
What's up, guys? My name is Luis el Patron. I'm an entrepreneur who walked away from his 9-to-5 job, risked stability, and chose ownership. We source, we refurb, and we flip furniture, turning overlooked pieces into profit. I also turn land into rentals, creating income where others see nothing. I'm gonna show you guys how we do that, guys, through this series. This series shows how I build systems, take control, and play the long game. El Patrón Boss Lifestyle exists to motivate you guys, entrepreneurs who want more freedom, more control, and more power over their future. This isn't motivation, guys. This is a blueprint. Pay attention. All I want to do is help you become a patron. All right, guys. So if you have a piece of land in your property and it has the potential to have its separate driveway that you can fence off towards it, what you do is you fence it out. I'm gonna show you guys how to rent it out to a private contractor. So you fence off a driveway. There's gotta be access to this piece of land, preferably in the back of your property. You're gonna fence off a driveway like you see in this video here. In the back, you could see the fenced off property in the back that I've rented. And you wanna find a contractor that does only parking and storage, preferably like a concrete contractor like I have here in our back property. He is a concrete, he makes fences, he makes driveways, and all he parks is his materials and his trucks, and that's it. You see an RV back there, but it's only for storage. You want to, in the lease, actually avoid them parking any RVs to avoid any problems or any chances that they might use it to live in. This is a friend of mine, so you know there's a trust level there. But you guys on the lease want to put to not let any type of livable type of vehicle like an RV, camper, fifth wheel, whatever, be parked. Only parking and storage, guys. And what helps, because if you try to rent the property just with its land by itself, you can't get much money. The trick is to park a 20-foot container or a 40-foot container, like the one you see in this video here that I'm showing you. And that dramatically brings up the price that you can rent it to your contractor for. So that's how you make money off your land. Make a private driveway, fence it off, right? Rent it out to a contractor that only does parking and storage. Nothing else. Trust me, you'll have a lot of people interested in wanting to do paint shops and RC cars and all kinds of different stuff, but you gotta just let them know I only do parking and storage. That's it. You gotta be strict, guys, because you want to avoid problems. And that's how you turn your land into some extra income, residual income every month. I'm trying to get the second half of the property that I'm showing in this video here rented, and it's taking me a while, but I really love this type of income, guys. Not only is it residual, but because it's only parking and storage, you know, it works out beautifully that way. And, it turns your property into a cash flowing asset. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Luis el Patron here, and I'll see you in the next video.
Okay, let's go.